Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Amarine made 3-cup coffee Syphon Tabletop Siphon coffee maker. If you're looking to elevate your coffee brewing experience, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk capacity. With a generous 3-cup capacity, this Syphon coffee maker is ideal for serving 3 to 4 people, making it perfect for gatherings or simply enjoying a leisurely morning coffee with loved ones. The construction of this coffee maker is top-notch. Crafted from high-quality heat-resistant glass and durable polypropylene, it's not only easy to use but also built to last. Say goodbye to messy brewing processes. This coffee maker ensures a clean and hassle-free experience every time. Ease of use is paramount, and this Syphon coffee maker doesn't disappoint. Equipped with an alcohol burner, it delivers consistent heat throughout the brewing process, allowing you to extract the full flavor and aroma of your coffee beans with ease. Plus, its flexibility allows for precise brew consistency, allowing you to tailor your coffee to your exact preferences. But wait, there's more. This coffee siphon maker comes complete with everything you need to get started right away. From a wooden stirrer to a long coffee plastic spoon for measuring coffee powder, and even cloth filters for the coffee grounds, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. In terms of specifications, this coffee maker boasts a wattage of 950 watts, ensuring powerful performance with every use. And with its sleek glass design, it's sure to add a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Overall, the Amarine made 3-cup coffee Syphon Tabletop Siphon coffee maker is a fantastic addition to any coffee lover's collection. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a friend or family member, you can't go wrong with this stylish and functional coffee maker. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.